Friends who are doing email marketing, pay attention. There is an update by Google and Yahoo. If you don't follow along and do it, your emails are more likely to end up in the spam folder, so it will affect your open rate. Remember to watch this video. Hi everyone, I'm Shek. If you are paying attention to your Gmail emails now, you will see some emails have a one-click unsubscribe button on top. As shown in the image now, it is the unsubscribe button. If you click this button, it will ask you to unsubscribe on their website. Under normal circumstances, if you haven't done any special settings, your email marketing system will use its domain to send out emails for you. For example, as shown in the image, the URL of this email is the one in front. For example, this email, its own website, is the one in front. It is sent out by a CRM company called Infusionsoft. So if you use ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, or other CRM, try opening the emails you sent out. You should see it's using ActiveCampaign or MailChimp's domain to send emails for you. According to Gmail new policy, you need to use your own domain if you are sending over 5,000 email a day. You'll need to go to where you bought your domain name to configure something called DNS settings. I'll demonstrate briefly later. Also, Gmail wants your spam rate to be under 0.1%. But normally, if you follow my methods, I teach you usually your spam ratio is generally under 0.1%. What is the spam ratio? It's when someone receives your email and they choose to report your email as spam here. Finally, you can't use free emails like Gmail or Yahoo for email marketing anymore. If you use Gmail to send large amounts of emails, your open rate will probably be much lower. This rule has existed for a long time. When you signed up to use CRMs like ActiveCampaign, if they see you using Gmail, they probably won't let you use it directly. Next, I'll demonstrate how to process verifying your domain. After verifying, your emails will be sent out from your domain. What I demonstrate on screen is ActiveCampaign. After entering ActiveCampaign, click Settings, then click Advanced. You'll enter this option. Normally, ActiveCampaign uses their domain to send emails for you. Now you need to click this below, which means I will use my own domain to send. If you want to use your domain to send, you need to verify the domain belongs to you. So you need to go to where you bought your domain name. There is an option called Advanced DNS below. Normally, you can just copy and paste these two records there. Just choose CNAME here and copy the first one. Its name is this. Paste it after copying. Then go to ActiveCampaign to copy the value, which is this. Copy and paste it to domain here. Need to add 2. Then add the second CNAME and copy paste. Then go back here to copy the second value and paste. Then click Save and it's done. After saving, it generally takes some time. You can come back after a few hours, open your ActiveCampaign account. You can enter your website here. It will help you check if your settings have been updated. I entered my email sending website. Then I click Check DNS. If you see it's green, it says your DNS is ready. Then it's okay. You can test sending an email after setting up. If you see there is an unsubscribe button on top of your email, then it succeeded. The Gmail policy will take effect in February. When you see this video, you should go do it right away. If you can't figure it out, first you can contact your CRM system support or contact some IT people to help you handle it. If anyone has any questions, welcome to leave a message below to ask. See you next video.